Okay guys, so this is your video on foam rolling your quadriceps, so the muscles on the front of your thighs basically. If you're doing heavy squats and things like that, these can sometimes really tighten up, so this is a good way to get them released and massage, but doing it yourself, which is always awesome. Foam roller, take your pick, whatever you've got available. So what you're going to do is just placing the foam roller just underneath your thigh. Now you see a lot of videos which they've got this movement going on. It's exhausting. You want to make this as easy as possible. So what you tend to do is just work sort of a couple of inches at a time. So I'm going to start off just above my kneecap. Okay, so remember it's not above, it's not on the kneecap itself, it's just above. And what I'm going to do again is just roll literally a couple of inches up and down. So it takes hardly any effort. And while I'm there, I'm also going to turn onto the side. So I get the side and I can turn it the other way and go inwards. And I'm looking for any areas that feel a little bit tight and a little bit uncomfortable. And what I'm going to do is once I find an area, I'm actually going to move the leg over to the side. So rather than rolling up and down now, once you've found something, go side to side and literally you're just shifting the leg. So I've got another part just about here. And again, all I'm going to do is move the leg side to side. You can apply a bit more pressure and literally wiggle. So you're causing a little bit more of what we call friction. But it works quite well, again, if you're just going over side to side as well. So once you've done a little bit, move the foam roller up a little bit. And again, up and down a couple of inches. Make sure you turn to the side. Oh, I've got a bit there. And I'm going to move the leg. I'm actually going to move the heel. Okay, so I'm actually bending the leg. I'm applying pressure on this one. Keep breathing. It should be bearable. Don't go to a point where you have to tighten everything. It's a nice pain. It's a nice pain. It's good pain. So again, I'm having a look around, see what I can find. Okay, I've got another spot here. I'm going to move the leg side to side. And then what I'm going to do, I've got a little bit of pressure there. And I'm actually going to move the knee as well. So bending and straightening the knee. And then I go looking again. And literally you can work all the way to the very top. See what you can find. There's one for me. Roll. And then have a play with it. There's no right or wrong way. It's literally just doing what you can find. So I tend to work up and down the muscle again, just a couple of inches at a time. Once I found a bit, I might then move the knee. I might then move side to side, the leg side to side, and just shift my weight. See what works for you. Have a play, have a go. Make sure you do both legs as well. So enjoy, guys. Speak to you soon.